Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is a Western Pacific M5. It is a scallop based M5, really cool horn. So I picked this up not too long ago. I got lucky on this one. You don't usually find M5s like this because this one is factory wire sealed. On your number one, you actually still have the Nathan stamped wire seal tag that's on the seal, and I'll put a picture up of it. Now the other bells don't have those. They are still wire sealed though. The wires run through them and then run through the clamping bolts. But that tag has been worked off, probably just from the years of service, vibrations, maybe getting hit. It knocked that off, but they have not been opened. All these power chambers are paint sealed as well with the green Western Pacific paint. So it is running reverse 2 and 4. So just keep that in mind when you watch the static test and also the run bys. That static test is a little higher pitched sounding in the video than in person, just because you've got this number 5 pointing straight at you with the number 3 also. So this number 2, which is your next deepest bell, is pointing back. But really good sounding horn. Uses a ton of air like any M5. My run bys are actually a little shorter than normal just because of the air this thing pulls. It drained my tanks pretty fast, and it just uses a lot of air. So I'll spin it around for you here, and I'll put some more pictures up of those wire seals. That's a pretty cool thing about the horn. So anyway, this is gonna date, like, it's scallop based, like I said. So like, you know, I mean, it could date anywhere from mid to late 50s into the 60s. Not really sure. It's kind of hard to date the elm horns. You did have round bass, which were your early 50s. So this is probably like mid to late 50s, you know, or in the 60s. Not really sure, but really good sounding horn for never being opened. Just keep that in mind. You know, a lot of people critique these horns, which is fine. I mean, I do too. But for this to be unopened in factory condition from when it was made, sounds really good. So anyway, y'all enjoy this, guys. This is the Western Pacific scallop bass M5. Mm-hmm.